If you don't want your third eye to be open, then skip this video because this isn't for everyone. Step 1, go outside when there's sunlight, because the sun is an extremely powerful energy that you can use to clear blocks, to clear negativity, and to rejuvenate yourself. So when you're outside, hold your fingers out like this, 2, pointing to the sun while you're facing the sun. And as you're doing that, just imagine that the rays and the energy and the healing power of the sun is going and filling up your fingers. And when it's filled up, next thing you should do is put it over your third eye and just lightly rub your third eye like this. And as you're rubbing, say, I'm now ready to open my third eye for the highest good of all. I am ready, I am protected, and I am safe. Do that for at least a minute. Try it for 3 days in a row and watch as everything changes for the better and your third eye starts to open. And guess what? When it opens, life is never the same in all the best of ways. Try it out, watch your life change.